I'm not afraid to pay taxes, okay? But I want them to be fair taxes. These are not fair. And I know you guys can sit down and figure out a way to cover this so-called hole that this is going to leave. I'm counting on you to do that.
The cost of compliance can outweigh the benefits of tracking some of the items to which personal property tax is assessed. Office furniture, another good example. For a cooperative such as ours that has multiple locations, it may be easier to pay the tax than to track where and what furniture items are in specific locations over time. We pay personal property tax past the lifetime of those items after already paying sales tax at purchase. It is a burden on our cooperative to track large quantities of item and equipment over their lifetime that are easily replaceable.
Our Fort Atkinson store was recently remodeled. Before the remodel, our personal property tax for that store was approximately $18,000. After spending several $100,000 on the remodel, our property tax jumped to nearly $60,000. In other words, by investing in our business, we ended up with a 233% higher personal property tax bill simply because we bought and owned new equipment in that one store.
If I get this money back, I'm not going to stick it in a bag and run down to the Caribbean with it. I'm going to spend it. The money's going to stay and it's going to get spent. And I'm going to use this money to improve my buildings and stuff like that. I'm going to pump it back into the community. I go into Black River, I put that in, I'm going to be looking at $3,000 in personal property taxes on the equipment I want to put into Black River Falls, right out of the chute. So, I'm going to put that money back in the economy. I'm going to create jobs. I started out with 5 drivers. I've got 30 employees.
Personal property taxation has been abandoned by all states contiguous to Wisconsin. It is a tax that is regressive, inconsistent, and burdensome to manage.